Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a super practical Power BI tutorial for you. I'll show you how to display the last refresh date and time in your Power BI report, so you and anyone looking at your dashboard can easily tell how up-to-date the data is. By the end of this video, you'll have a sleek little timestamp on your report that updates every time your data does. No add-ons, no complicated code, just a straightforward solution using Power Query and a card visual. Let's get started right away. First, we need to capture the most recent refresh time inside Power BI, and to do this, we'll use Power Query. So hop over to the Home tab and click on Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. This is where all your data transformation magic happens, and it's also how we'll create a custom query to log the current date and time. If you haven't used Power Query's advanced editor before, don't worry, it's pretty accessible. It just lets you work directly with a little bit of code. Once you're inside Power Query Editor, look up at the ribbon and click on Advanced Editor. We're going to make a blank query now. Think of it like starting with a fresh worksheet in Excel. This lets us define exactly what we want without interfering with any of our existing data tables. To do this, select New Source, then choose Blank Query. A blank panel will appear. Now let's paste in a simple script. Copy and paste the following code. Let refresh time equals date time local now. Then refresh time. What this line does is pretty neat. It tells Power Query to grab the current date and time of your computer every single time the data is refreshed. So whenever your data refreshes, whether it's on demand or set on a schedule, Power BI will grab the latest moment and store it for display. Once you've pasted the code, click Done. Now make sure you give your query a descriptive name. Right-click where it says Query 1 and select Rename. Type in something meaningful like last refresh. Naming things clearly really helps if you're building a complex report or if you need to come back a few months from now. Alright, so we've created this little one-cell table that holds your refresh date and time. Now we need to bring it into the main Power BI model so it can be used in visuals. Hit Close and apply up in the Power Query window. This closes the editor and brings your new last refresh data into your report. Now comes the fun part, showing the refresh time to your users in a visual, easy-to-spot way. Head over to your report canvas and let's add a card visual. Cards are perfect for this because they display a single value nice and bold. Just click on the card icon from the visualizations pane. Then in the fields area, drag and drop last refresh onto the values section of your new card. Instantly, you'll see today's date and time show up. If you want, you can tweak the formatting, maybe adjust it to show just the time, or choose a date format that suits your region. That's up to you, and there you have it. Now your Power BI dashboard will display the last time it was refreshed front and center, so there's never any confusion about how current the numbers are. It's a tiny touch that can make your report look so much more professional and keeps everyone informed at a glance. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Power BI trick you're curious about. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. See you next time and happy dashboarding.